Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, we're going to discuss how to find an unlimited supply of social media marketing clients on Google, Yelp, Craigslist. I'm going to show you guys where I go to contact, okay, to prospect, to find clients, okay. Social media marketing clients, folks, are endless, okay? They're everywhere. They're on Facebook. They're on Yelp, okay? Just waiting for you to call them. Now, the beautiful thing about this, folks, is that these leads are free. So that's why I recommend people to start a social media marketing agency, because of the learning curve, and then the cost to get started is literally under $100, $200, if that. Okay, you can literally start with nothing, actually. Okay, but I don't recommend that. I do recommend that you get a course, and you get something that can help you or show you the ropes as far as what you need to do, have the agreement forms and all that type of stuff already put together, so you don't have to bump your head, so to speak. But nonetheless, my approach is this. Okay, you guys already know when it comes to signing up clients. I made $100,000 my first year and an SMMA, and it was simply by utilizing this strategy. Okay, going to the Craigslist, going to the Yelps, and going to the Googles, and finding clients for free. Okay, now there are other sources you could contact to buy leads. But at this stage in the game, it's not necessary. Okay. Now, the strategy that I'm going to show you will literally take you where you are now, from struggling, just getting started in SMMA. You don't have any clients and you want clients. Okay. I want you to dive right into this training, and I want you to follow along on how to contact or find SMMA clients that you can prospect and that you can send your information to, because this is where the rubber meets the road. Okay, if you want to make money in SMMA, then this is the strategy that you need to start doing immediately. Okay, you got to do this immediately. All right, now if you guys need help, you're struggling, you want the 4-step process that I use, where I contact the client, send the client information, follow up, and close the sale. Click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the ICP, where I literally sign up 3 clients in 7 days. I case study everything, show you how to set up a $15,000 a month SMMA agency, and it's all built around this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, ladies and gentlemen, is you want to set a simple goal. How many clients do you want? Whether it's 5, 10, 20, set a simple goal. Okay, so when I'm getting ready to prospect, when I'm getting ready to pick up the phone, okay, the first thing I do, folks, okay, is I'll go to Yelp, I go to Craigslist, or I go to Google. Okay, you guys already know the niches that I like to go after: the roofers, painters, contractors, arborists, house cleaning, carpet cleaning, what have you. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just showing you guys the process. Okay, because a lot of you guys want to know, Maurice, what do you find, and how do you get these clients to pay you, $5,000 a month, $20,000 a month? I got clients that pay me thousands and thousands of dollars a month. And guess where I found them? I found them on Google. I found them on Yelp, and I found them on Craigslist, free, waiting for me. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google. You want to type in house painter in Chicago, house painter in Brooklyn, New York. It doesn't matter where you're a house painter in, California, LA, San Diego. It doesn't matter. Okay. Texas, I make calls everywhere. Okay. That's the beautiful thing about SMMA. I can have clients literally anywhere in the globe, and I am in beautiful California, and I don't have to be in that particular city that I'm calling. So if I wanted to call people in Chicago, I would just go to Google, type in house painter Chicago, and lo and behold, all these people up here are paying to be on Google. Okay, so these are the type of businesses that I would like to contact, because let's face it, they're advertising to be on Google. Okay, and then you have Home Advisor, and then you have another company, and their phone numbers are right here. I wouldn't click the ad per se. If I wanted this, I would just copy and paste it, type it into the browser, like so. And then I would just come here because you don't want those guys to pay. You don't want them to pay for that click because you're not necessarily, looking for that particular company. So here's this painting company, Diamond Star Painting, nice web page. They have email. So for you guys that are sending cold emails, you could even send them a cold email, but I would just pick up the phone and call them. Okay. Go to contact us. Let me see if they have the name of the owner on there. So they don't. So you guys already know. I would just call, hey, this is Maurice. I found your website on Google. Had a quick question for you. That's it. I don't even need their name. But this is the process. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you do this 20 to 25 times and you do this, an hour or two a day, Monday through Friday, you do that for the next 60 to 90 days, guess what? You'll hit six figures. Okay. That's how I did it. Okay. So you have Home Advisor. Now, here's another trick. Okay. If you want to get more painters, okay, an endless supply of leads that you can cold call, send cold emails, do your Looms, your Zooms, or what have you, okay? Here's another, and these are all businesses that are in the organic, okay? So you have the maps, the pay-per-click, all right? And then you have your organic, and I would still contact these, your Angie list. You can go onto Angie's list. This is another nugget. And you can pull those guys out of there. You got Chicago Painters. Let's see what this. Here's another one. They got their YouTube video, real nice, a real nice professional site. I would call these guys. They're probably making a ton of money. That's why they got a very professional web page. And the good thing about painters, guess what, folks? They'll pay you anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 to $4,000 a month to get them leads. Okay, because this is all these companies are doing now. This company is not doing PPC. They're actually just ranking in organic. So I would call them to run some Google ads for them and or Facebook. Okay, I can run Facebook ads for them too. Okay, let me give you guys another jewel. Okay, so if you want an endless supply of local businesses, you want to click view all, and then Google's going to pull up everyone in the Chicago area in their Google listing, and it's endless. Okay, this is endless free leads. Okay. Endless free leads. This is all you got to do. This is why cold calling is so effective, because all you have to do is pick that phone up. Now, out of all these, if I was to cold call them, ladies and gentlemen, you see the showing results 1 through 20, and then you go to the next one, and it's going to pull up more businesses. But I would probably just need to do one row of these individuals. I could probably get 3 or 4 of them, and then at the end of the week, I'll probably close 1 or 2, probably charge them a setup fee. And then they'll probably easily be $3,000 to $4,000 a month clients. Okay. And that's because I charge per lead. I don't typically charge per month. I don't do monthly retainers anymore. And if you guys are interested in finding out how I do it and how I charge per lead, and I make 5 times the amount of money that people make by charging retainers, click the link in the description. I go over that in the ICP course. Okay. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I just gave you a jewel literally that'll put $100,000 in your pocket. Okay. On how to find SMMA businesses that you can call. Okay. Now Yelp, same thing. So you go to Yelp, type in interior painters or house painters or carpet cleaners or whatever. You put in the city, state, boom, click it. And then here we go. All these guys are literally paying to be on Yelp sponsor search. They're probably paying about $600, $700, $800 a month. Some of them are paying per click or what have you. So these are all the painters that are on Yelp. Now, some guys like to look at the positive reviews. That doesn't matter to me as far as like the reviews, as long as they're a painting company. And sometimes you can find the owner's name on it as well. But nonetheless, this is all I would do. So I would come here, I would see this painting company, and I would call them, the phone number. I find their phone number, which is right there. And let's see if the business owner's name. Sometimes you'll see their names in the reviews. Let me see. Great work. Bill. So I will call and say, hey, is Bill available? It says Bill and his team. So that's how I get the names. A lot of people ask me, how do I get the names? If I'm on Yelp, this is my secret. I go right down to the reviews, and a lot of times they'll say the name of the person that did it. And it looks like Bill is his name, or William. So anyway, Bill did a fantastic. So I would just call up, Hey, Bill, this is Maurice. I found your ad on Yelp. Had a quick question for you. That's what I do. Okay. This is how I find business owners. Same thing with Craigslist. Okay. Like, once again, folks, I'm giving you guys $100 to literally a $500,000 secret right here. Okay. And you guys know and you see me do it, but this is how I find businesses to call. When you guys see me making cold calls, this is what I'm doing. Okay. Remodeling contractor. Okay. Now, if the phone number's not there, then I'll go up to the top and see. I don't typically send the email, and then here go his name, Miguel, and then there's the phone number. Am I human? And then they want me to do that for the tires. But you guys get the point, okay? This is what you do. So you get the number there. If the number's not listed in the posting, and that's it. And Craigslist is endless once again. These are people that are actively posting. And so we know that these individuals are seeking leads. They want business. Okay. Once again, so I would just call this junk company. Hey, this is Maurice. I found your ad on Craigslist. Booyah. So this is what I do, folks. Okay. There's an endless supply of businesses that you can contact for free. Okay. All you got to do is set up a schedule. All right. Now, here's another thing. And then we're going to end the video. All right. So let's say I call All American Moving, okay? And I call them, and you guys hear me pitching them or what have you. So I'll say, hey, this is Maurice, found your ad on Craigslist. Are you interested in generating some moving leads? They'll say yes. Then I'll go through my spiel, qualify them. Are you doing marketing elsewhere? And then if they say, yes, I'm interested, I want to go ahead and send you some details. I'll get the information, their email address. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to email them my presentation, okay? And then I'll text them also my presentation. So I'll text them this number when I'm talking to them, all right? So I like to text and email my presentation. That's another secret of mine. I text and email them my presentation, all right? Now, if you guys want that presentation that I email, click the link in the description. I have a pre-made presentation that you guys can use to send to prospects that will do most of the explaining and telling for you about SMMA and why they need it and why they need to do business with you. Okay. That thing is kicking a lot of dust up, and people are getting phenomenal results with that presentation. So that's my process. I will come here, call them, send them the presentation, follow up. I have 10 questions that I ask the business owner to get them to pay me money. If I'm doing a free trial or something like that, once again, if I do a trial, it's going to be a big setup fee. And then I'm going to pretty much get them results. Okay. And you guys can follow this. It's simple. All right. And if you guys want the blueprint, you want to copy it, you want to go from where you are now to making $10,000 a month, click the link in the description. You guys can grab the ICP course. But ladies and gentlemen, that's it. It's all you got to do. You can get an endless supply of businesses you can contact daily, okay, that will pay you $3,000 to $4,000 a month, okay? And all you got to do is put in the work. And I just gave you guys the goods, okay? So hopefully this video has been of immense value to you. If it has, comment below. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. If you're not a subscriber of the channel, make sure you subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you guys thought. And if you guys need help, you want my 4-step process, you're struggling, you bought courses before, you want to taste and see how good SMMA is, you want to go from where you are now to making $10,000 a month in the next 30 to 60 days, I invite you to grab the ICP course. People are crushing it, getting clients. It's a phenomenal course. And the most important thing, guess what? It's very, very affordable. Okay. I made it very affordable because I know you guys are struggling. And financial means may be a little difficult. I didn't charge $1,000 for it like I could have. So if you want it, get it before the price goes up. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take action on this too, folks. Take action. Comment below. Say, hey, Maurice, I made a couple calls on Craigslist, Yelp, or Google. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.